Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you how long does it take to score a 100 percentile in CAT. And this is for beginners. Now, let's try to understand what is a beginner and what does it take to score a 100 percentile. Anyway, we do have courses, 100 percentile batch, CAT 25, CAT full course, CAT mentorship. If you are interested in any of the courses, feel free to contact us. Now, beginners, who are considered beginners? Who are not prepared for CAT before, maybe doing first time CAT as such. And they should be average student. I mean, I'm not expecting brilliant or below average student. Average student who are able to understand the basic concepts. That is important. I mean, these two aspects. I mean, if you just started preparing for CAT and you believe you're an average student, I'm sure you are able to score 100 percentile. So how much? Around 9 to 12 months is what is required. You'll have to give around 3 to 4 hours a day minimum, but that's 9 to 12 months is normally sufficient duration to score a 100 percentile, provided you prepare properly. I've already come up with a video with regards to qualities for 100 percentile. You can look at that. But yes, that will also give you idea as to what is required to get 100 percentile. But here what I'll do is I'll do a timeline in terms of what you need to do, how to prepare. Step first. I mean, start with building conceptual clarity. I mean, from scratch. To focus on completing syllabus and strengthening your basics in all the three areas. So in the initial part, the first 3 to 4 months is focusing on completing a syllabus. So try to complete syllabus wherever possible. I mean, build conceptual clarity in each of the topics. If possible, try to also look at shortcut methods of trying to solve things. I mean, there are always some where you can solve the alternate methods, but yes, learn those. But now the key focus in the step one is to try to complete syllabus as fast as possible. I mean, so that you can then go to level 2 as such. But yes, around 3 to 4 months time to complete the syllabus is what is required, along with trying to solve sums with alternate methods wherever possible. Step 2, start with writing a mock. Now, once you finish the syllabus, write a mock to understand where you stand. Now, if you are scoring 100%, you need to be able to focus on your weak area and improve your weak area. So, improve on your weak areas, try to prepare on that. So, maybe you can write 2 to 4 mocks a month, but yes, your preparation should be like focusing on your weak areas, identify all the weak areas that you have, put extra efforts on that. Simultaneously, keep writing a mock once a week or once a fortnight and try to improve on your weak areas. So around 2 months to 3 months, ideally 2 months is what you should try to complete your weak areas, revising your weak areas and brushing up on that. You already covered the syllabus, but when you cover the syllabus, you'll always have those areas which are strong at, some areas you're weak at. Step 2 is to focus on your weak areas and try to improve on your weak areas so that you don't have major weaknesses as far as when you go to step 3. Step 3 is where you write regular mocks, 2 to 4 mocks a week. It could increase to 4 to 5 mocks maybe when you're closer to the exam, 2 months before exam. Now here, your key is to experiment with a strategy. Also, the key is to get better methods to solve the questions. I mean, when you start with the mocks, you will have a particular level of your scores. Now, if you really want to improve that, you need to have better methods to solve. The better methods will only come if you put conscious effort in trying to improve your methods. And that is what is required here. Approximately 4 to 5 months, major time will spend on this, where you focus on strategy, where you focus on methods, and where you focus on trying to improve your scores. You have to unlearn and relearn out here, learn ways of solving things, practice questions. Initially, I said only 2 to 4 mocks, less mocks, because your more time will go on practicing questions, learning new methods, learning new things. Once you learn those, later part, 2 months before the exam, your focus will be writing more mocks and being comfortable with different type of questions. That's what will be. So 3-step process with regards to trying to get 100 percentile. We'll come up with more videos that will help you understand what we talk about each of the steps and how we need to prepare, and maybe questions in terms of how to approach those questions. Right? If you're interested, you can contact us. Thank you.